Hai, selamat datang di Firemanx dan video kali ini aku akan bermain game dari Adult Swim atau Renang Dewasa. Belum terjadi sama pause. Sasa. Oke, serius. Ya. Tegangan tinggi. Kita
You damn twig snappers! People are trying to sleep.
The tasty smell of the start of a weenie roast. I need to get me some kielbasa and white hots.
Salah juga sih, meskipun bukan pelakunya, tapi salahnya tuh karena apa sih namanya?
Seven-letter word for long and hard. Starts with an A. What is this? I know this. What would be long and hard? Arousal. What does long and hard have to do with arousal?
Well, Harvey, if you don't know the answer to that by now, it's safe to say you never will.
Birdman! Pant! You're here for the duplex! It burned down!
Peter Potamus, you're under arrest for the arson of this guy's half a house.
Harvey, help me! I didn't do it!
Bukannya.
Well, I mean, the fire was going out, so I threw your mailbox in to keep it going a bit longer for my s'mores, but I didn't start it!
Ordinarily, I turn down a case while busy with something else.
Clearly not anything arousing.
But seeing how this hippo saved me in a case, I need a good lawyer, now!
Hey, anybody got an extra set of trousers? Damn intern ripped my good chinos!
Save me!
Yeah, sure.
And even saved my life.
Birdman's drowning! All right, what'd I do?
What are you...
1,000! 1,000!
I have to. I'll take the case.
Ditambahkan.
I'll take the case.
Ya, oke. Ya,
Did you get that thing that I sent to you?
I'll take the case.
Did you get that thing?
I'll take the... Volturo.
Birdman, is it not enough that you taste by having your duplex? Now you have to suffer by losing to me.
Oh, Henry! Mwah!
Oh, cute. An air kiss. Followed by an air fondle, air squeeze, and then finally an air britsky.
Order! Order in the courtroom! Presenting evidence.
Buset, dimutahin. Ditambahkan. jam sebelumnya udah gak tahu jam.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, I would like to Mr. Peter Pottermus to the stand.
Okay, don't say anything. Got it? The less you say, the better our case.
Now, Mr. Pottermus, if you wouldn't mind, jury and the world, your total and complete guilt in this case?
I am sorry. I will not admit to anything because I have a bad case of laryngitis. Therefore, I cannot talk. Good day then.
But you just, this is preposterous. Your Honor, if I could, I demand the defendant admit to the crime. I demand it.
Mr. Bam Bam, does your defendant have laryngitis?
I think he meant to say bronchitis. Wait, that's the 7-letter word beginning with A.
Yeah, what he said.
You mean an inflammation of the bronchial tubes caused by excessive smoke inhalation? Laughable. No further questions, Your Honor. He did it.
Okay.
Mr. Bombs over Baghdad, you're up.
Ladies and gentlemen, sure, my client appears to be a callous, privileged, sticky mess of a hippo, but he is also
Ini juga.
a person of special needs. A man on a journey through life without the aid of fingers or thumbs and therefore incapable of starting a fire.
If it pleases Your Honor, why don't we just ask someone who saw the whole thing happen?
Saksinya.
Would a Mrs. Gigi Quackenbush Lopez Finderstein David Peck Wong Birdman Mytor? What? Please take the stand.
Sheesh! Wife, I think.
Yes.
What are you doing?
If you would, please tell the court what you saw that fateful evening when...
Of course.
Itu.
Harvey Birdman and I recently got back together. We're married, you know. Anyway, I was returning from my butcher's house, when I saw a small fire on our porch. I saw that hippo just standing there with those matches in his hand.
Disalahin dia.
You mean that in conjunction with the book of matches found at the scene, this testimony puts Pottermus on the scene with intent? Nothing further!
Okay.
I think I get a cross-examination or something, right?
Well, no doubt. You need to hammer down, good buddy. You are in the granny land looking for beaver. Watch for bears. Over.
I'll take that as a yes.
Jadi tambahkan.
Oh yeah, press that button. Again. Again.
Itu tadi dan tidak.
I'll take the case.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
Tapi cerai sama sekali.
You never admitted that to anyone before. And it's on record. Gigi, wife.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
Yeah, nothing looks out of place here. I would bet that I could present something that contradicts this statement. Well, I guess that does make some sense.
Kayak gitu aja kan?
I would bet that I could present something that contradicts this statement. You never admitted that to anyone before. And it's on record. Gigi, wife.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
I would beg to differ with this statement, but I think it sounds just fine. I would bet that I could present something that No, that's it? Nothing else? I would bet that I could present something that contradicts.
You're barking up the wrong tree, Birdman.
I would bet that I could present something that contradicts. Yeah, nothing looks out of place here.
Okay.
Well, I guess that does make some sense. I would bet that I could. I would beg to differ with this statement, but I think it sounds just fine. You never admitted that to anyone before, and it's on record. Gigi, wife.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
Okay.
You never admitted that to anyone before, and it's on record.
Gini-gini aja.
Gigi, wife.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
You never admitted that to anyone before, and it's on record. Gigi, wife.
Udah deh.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
No, that's it? Nothing else?
You're barking up the wrong tree, Birdman.
Yeah, nothing looks out of place here. Well, I guess that does make some sense. I would beg to differ with this statement, but I think it sounds just fine. No, that's it? Nothing else? I would bet that I could present something that contradicts.
You're barking up the wrong tree, Birdman.
Yeah, nothing looks out of place here. I would bet that I. Well, I guess that does make some sense.
Ya udah deh.
I would beg to differ with this statement, but I think it sounds just fine.
Akhirin untuk gameplay.
I would bet that I could present something that No, that's it? Nothing else?
Kali ini bermain game.
I would bet that I could present something that contradicts this. You never admitted that to anyone before, and it's on record. Gigi, wife.
Video aku.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
Sampai jumpa lagi. Fireman. Mohon maaf karena gameplaynya singkat tapi alurnya. Dadah.